Let's face it, the traditional pay cycle can be brutal. You work hard all month, then bam, the money hits your account and bills swallow it whole. But what if there was a way to access your earned wages before that official payday? That's where DailyPay comes in. DailyPay is a service offered by some employers that lets you transfer a portion of your earned wages instantly to a linked account. This means you don't have to wait until the end of the pay cycle to cover unexpected expenses, emergencies, or even just treat yourself to that coffee you've been craving. Now, you might be wondering, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually use it? Well, the first step is setting up direct deposit with DailyPay. This ensures a seamless transfer of your chosen amount directly into your DailyPay account. So, buckle up, because in this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up direct deposit on DailyPay. But before we jump in, a quick heads up. The exact process might differ slightly depending on whether you're using the DailyPay app or your employer's payroll platform. We'll cover both options, so you're prepared no matter which route you take. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. Setting up direct deposit with DailyPay using the DailyPay app. Open the DailyPay app. This should be a breeze if you've already downloaded and signed up for DailyPay. Navigate to the Settings or Linked Accounts section. The specific location might vary slightly depending on your app version. Don't worry, it'll usually be tucked away under a menu icon or a gear symbol. Find the direct deposit option. Once you're in Settings, keep an eye out for anything mentioning direct deposit or linked accounts. Add your bank account details. Here's where the magic happens. Enter your bank account information, including your routing number and account number. Double-check these details to ensure smooth transfers. Verify your identity. DailyPay takes security seriously, so expect a verification step. This might involve a code sent to your phone number or email address. Choose primary account, optional if you want all your earned wages to automatically flow into this DailyPay linked account. Check the primary account box. This is handy if you plan to rely heavily on DailyPay for managing your finances. Relax, you're done. Once you confirm everything, you've successfully set up direct deposit with DailyPay through the app. Setting up direct deposit with DailyPay using your employer's payroll platform. If your employer doesn't offer the DailyPay app directly, you might need to set up direct deposit through their payroll platform. Here's a general guide. Log into your employer's payroll portal. This portal is usually accessed through a secure website or app provided by your employer. Navigate to the payroll or direct deposit section. Similar to the DailyPay app, look for options related to managing your paycheck. Find the Add Bank Account or Direct Deposit option. This might be under Payment Methods or a similar heading. Enter DailyPay account information. Instead of your regular bank details, here you'll need to enter the routing number and account number associated with your DailyPay account. You can usually find this information within the DailyPay app itself. Review and submit. Double-check everything before hitting submit. Once confirmed, your employer will start routing a portion of your wages to your DailyPay account. Important tips. Check with your employer. Before diving in, confirm if your employer even offers DailyPay as a service. You can usually find this information on your company's HR portal or by asking your payroll department directly. Review DailyPay transfer fees. While DailyPay offers a convenient service, there might be fees associated with instant transfers. Be sure to understand their fee structure before setting things up. Start small. Especially if you're new to DailyPay, it's wise to start by transferring a smaller portion of your wages. This helps you get comfortable with the system and avoid any potential budgeting issues. So, there you have it. With DailyPay direct deposit set up, you can access your earned wages before your official payday, giving you more control over your finances. Remember, DailyPay is a tool, and like any tool, it can be helpful if used wisely. Weigh the convenience against the fees and make sure it aligns with your budget and financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.